I thought the curb was a bit further.
Hello everybody and welcome back. If you don't know me, I am Josh and I'm an approved driving instructor. Today I'm here to share with you a video of a mock test route in Stafford. Now this is going to be a short video, it's only around 5 minutes long. If you'd like to see the full thing, come back on Friday, or even better, just hit the subscribe button and you won't miss it. Now I've done this mock test slightly differently to my standard. From Dan's request, he felt he'd get better feedback if I gave him information throughout the test, during each minor fault and serious fault, rather than we're giving it all at the end. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments below, and I can either do more or less in the future. Now here, Dan changes lanes on the actual roundabout. He does check his mirrors and he does gently move across into the left lane when it is clear. However, you need to be very, very careful when doing this. If there's any doubt that it's not perfectly clear and that you haven't checked your mirrors properly, it's far safer to just stay in the lane you're in, even if that means going the wrong way. Now I've put this part in, not because Dan did anything wrong, because he hasn't. It's more for you guys. This is a massive fail zone for people on their driving test.
Got a new build area, and if you look at the road ahead, there are no lines. However, what is it?
Turn right,
it is a T-junction.
turn left.
And what do we do at T-junctions?
Look both ways.
We look both ways. We've learned that, haven't we, Dan?
We have.
If you don't, even though there's no lines, you will instantly fail because a car could be coming either way. It's dangerous. Simple as that.
Here, Dan unfortunately gets his car in the wrong gear and he has a major stall. I call it a major stall because he's stalled and he hasn't quickly corrected it. He hasn't even realised what he's actually done, and then he's accidentally popped it into the wrong gear again. I've actually had to help him with this, so this would end up going from a minor fault to actually highly likely a serious fault.
Do you know what happened there?
Yeah, I was too heavy on the brake when I was in first gear.
So you think you're in first gear and you're too heavy on the brake and that's why it stalled?
Yeah.
Okay. No.
Okay guys, new game, spot the fault. Write in the comments below, what has Dan done here? What is the fault? And what would it be, a minor or a serious fault? Let's go.
Okay. When it says to do so, carry on. Let's get the car ready, and I just want to point something out. What's that? And then just follow the road.
Now, as you can see here, there is a car on the right, and the car's actually had to stop to let us round this corner because it's so tight. And I think Dan's just ever so slightly cut the corner, which he just can't afford to do on this bend. So it's really important that you stay focused at all times and make sure you're nice and tight against that curb.
Okay, pull over on the left.
Again, another nice, easy one. See if you can spot the fault. Pop it in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. If you haven't already, subscribe. Don't miss out on the next ones coming. And I'll see you on Friday.
What did you do then?
I don't know. I thought the curb was a bit further.
Yeah, so you hit the curb.